Just going to talk to you today about how to create a stat report. So I'm on my statistics screen, but I actually want to create a stat report, something that's going to send me stats every month, every day, or every week on a regular occurrence. So I can either click Create Stat Report here, or I can click Create Stat Reports here. That's going to take me to the Stat Reports list screen. As you can see, I haven't previously created any, so I'm just going to go ahead and click this button to create a new stat report. I'm going to call it Monthly Stats so that I can see the stats every month. So my search interval is the search range for the stats. So if I put every month in, this would give me every month's stats. And then I need to decide how often I want those stats to come to me. So because it's every month, I probably only want them every month. So that would send me a stat report on the 1st of every month. I can then here select a workflow. So I could select a particular workflow to filter the results further, or I could select a particular user. Here I can select what time I'd like the stat report to be run and what time my email will arrive. So I can put here 9 o'clock, which would send it to me at 9 o'clock in the morning whenever the stat report is run. In the next section, called Report Visibility, I can decide who can see and edit this report. So I want myself to see it, and I probably want another developer to see it. Alkis. Although I don't want Alkis to receive an email each month, so I'm just going to take his name out of that list. I could add another developer's name there to receive an email I wanted. Okay, and then I just need to decide which stats I want to see each month. So for the purpose of this demo, I'm going to put all the stats in here. Okay, that's all of them. And I need to decide how I want them to be arranged. So the total task status, I think, can go halfway across my screen with the total tasks by alert next to it. Okay, and then types of tasks. Those are like the number of workflows we've done. So I think that can take up a third of the screen. This can sit next to that one. And then users can sit next to that one. So I just need to keep clicking these until they fit together. And I can decide to show this one. I think I'll do this halfway across. And then this one will also be halfway across. And I think this one will keep it full width. Okay, so arrange them nicely. And then the last question is if I want to see the results as CSV files, which, because I've spent the time doing that, and this data is very much orientated to being displayed in a chart, I'm just going to keep that as no for now. So then I'm going to click Create Report. Okay, as you can see here, the next time this report is going to be run is tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock. This is because we've just created the report and it's going to give me all of June's stats tomorrow morning. Once that's run, then it will change to 1st of August, and that will be when it next runs, and then that will give me all of July's stats. Okay, so I'm just going to run that report now, and then we'll be able to view the results. Okay, so my stat report has just run. I've just received an email to say it's run, and it had a link in which would take me to the stats page to show me the results. I can also go back to my list page to see the results here. And as you can see, the next run date is still that. That's just because I've not refreshed my page. If I refresh the page, you'll see it's now the 1st of August 2020, so that will give me all of June's results when that gets run on the 1st of August. Sorry, all of July's results when that gets run on the 1st of August. So to see June's results, I just need to right click the cog and click View Last Report. And that shows me my stats all arranged the way that I did them in the layout of the stat report on the page. These boxes are blank just because these are interactive charts and you need to click them to see the results. So you can see the types of tasks we've done are these. And then I click support ticket. Can then see that 56 of those support tickets have been completed. Some are still pending and some are still received. And then I can click that to see which user's working on that task when it got completed. So most of them were done by Phil and one done by me. And then the other stats just tell us who was working on the task. And then these stats tell us who created those tasks. So some are by the developers and some by the client staff themselves. And then this stat tells us the average number of days a ticket was in each status. So from request received to going in progress, from being in progress to testing, and then from testing to completed. Okay, so that's how you create a stat report.